How to get access to old Cash App account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to get access to old Cash App account. So in order to get access to the old Cash App account, all you have to do is just simply follow these steps. So you need to log out from the current account to get back on the login screen in your mobile device while using the Cash App mobile application. And after that, you need to select the icon from the more settings at the top right corner of the screen, and from then just simply go click on get helps login, and after that just simply choose how we should look up for your account, and then you have to complete any of the prompt to confirm and verify your account. And if you have trouble logging in, you can also contact the customer support team of the Cash App account while clicking on start a chat, and then you can simply explain them that you won't be able to access your old Cash App account in the mobile application, and the Cash App team will definitely reach out to you and help you regarding solving this particular problem. So yeah, this is basically how you will be able to get access to old Cash App account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.